Kuda out to a 3-0 lead on Axel Makhmudov of Kyrgyzstan. Also, past world champion, Olympic silver medalist over here on A right now, the Norwegian with the lead. But Makhmudov, world champions do world champion things.
Okay.
And Tush confirmed. The rally, the throw, the Tush, and the hand raise forthcoming for your winner. From Kyrgyzstan, Axel Makhmudov.
Axel Makhmudov, Kyrgyzstan.